What up, YouTube? It's your boy Cartel here. We're going to go over why you should start a YouTube channel. And not only watch content, but create content. YouTube is going to be the future for you and everyone who's watching this video right now. The best thing that you could do with your life is create content. Why do I say that? That's digital real estate right there. It's going to be here when you're dead and gone. The best way to help the next generation of whatever you do or somebody else does is to create content. Trial and error sometimes takes centuries, okay? Not decades, centuries. And by the help of people before us, documenting their success, documenting their failures, helps the future generation get that much better at whatever they're doing. The best way to go about this is to create content on a daily basis. Every single day. And think about it this way. If you work out one time a month, what type of results will you get? If you work out one time a week, what type of results will you get? What if you work out one time a day? What type of results does that look like? Maybe even twice a day. Those are some good results right there. You have to understand what you put in is what you're going to get out. Content creation is not easy, but you got to understand all you got to do is document or record whatever you're doing. If you're a teacher, record that. If you're a mechanic, record that. All right? Whatever you do, somebody is going to think that's interesting, right? Somebody's going to be like, man, that's how you do that? Somebody looks up to you for doing whatever you do. The only way YouTube is going to reward you is you being consistent and making high quality content. Say that fast. High quality content. Once you do that, the job is done. Just be consistent over and over and over and over again. But do it every day, because once a week ain't gonna get the job done. Once a month definitely ain't gonna get the job done. Why can't you take out 8 to 10 minutes of your day, record content? Understand your schedule and just get better at it. Mr. B said it before. Get 1% better. You don't gotta get 1,000 times better every time you make a video. Just 1% is gonna get the job done. Understand that. Trust the process, enjoy the process. But not having a YouTube channel, creating a YouTube channel where you have your own community, right? You have your own brand. That's creating a YouTube channel. Not just watching other people. Not just subscribing to all these channels. Make your content. Find your brand. Find your people. Find your niche. You're going to benefit from this 100%. Again, it's digital real estate. And that's going to be there forever. If you're still watching this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, okay? Comment any questions below. Other than that, definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm posting daily, okay? I post live shorts videos, and it's completely free, all right? You want to know when I go live immediately? Sub up, all right? Like I was saying, if you're young, creating content is probably the best thing you could do with your life. It doesn't matter if you're going to school or not. Doesn't matter if you got this after school hustle, whatever. Create content and your life is going to be a lot easier. You're lucky that you have content like this, where it's available and willing to pay you lots of money. Okay? I just finished watching a video of Kai Cenat finding a 3-year streamer. She was streaming for 3 years. Understand what that means. She was streaming since 2021. 3 years. She recorded her birthdays, the Christmases, all those holidays. She recorded that. That's not easy, people. But guess what? She got hella followers just from Kai just talking to her on stream, right? Even Kai was shocked. He was like, how? And he streams like 30 days straight at a time though, right? She's doing 3 years. Understand that. 3 years, 3 whole years. And you telling me you can't create content for 8 to 10 minutes? Ridiculous. Ridiculous. If you're not good at it, get good. Okay? Get good. How do you do that? Just treat it like a job where you got to do it every single day. Because your job you got to do every single day, right? And so you're pretty good at that. And if you're not pretty good at your job, then why are you doing that? Like, why are you you spend your time getting good at something and mastering that. Find your purpose, record your purpose, document it, help the future generation out. AI and content creation, they go hand in hand and they are the future. And I mean, you don't gotta hop on the train, but I mean, you can get left. That's all right. Because AI is taking over a lot of jobs, right? There's a lot more content creators, being or starting their journey every day, more and more and more. Because more people are finding out about it. More people are understanding the entrepreneurship, the benefits of being a content creator. Record everything that you do on your vacations. Guess what? You get to write off. If you record everything you do, guess what you get to write off? Guess if you create you buying gifts for your family members for a certain type of content, guess what you get to pay or write off? Understand that. There's a lot of benefits of what I'm telling you right now. Don't mess up on this opportunity. Don't slip up on this. A lot of people don't understand to take good advice when they hear it. I can't think of anything that would be better than having your own brand. Your own brand. Whatever you are, 100% of you, but your brand. And now think about that, having that in a digital format where it's there forever. It don't get no better than that. Content creation will always be the future because it's always going to get better and better and better. You got, again, AI, then you got Meta and stuff like that. So, like, it's always just going to get better and better and better. And content creation ain't going away. Okay? It's not going away. AI is not going away. You can't, what's the saying? You can't beat it, join them. Can't beat them, join them. You can't beat AI. So join them. Okay? You can't beat AI. Use it like a dog on a leash, right? Use AI to help you, right? It could be your personal assistant. Make your life way easier. Way easier. Some people like to do things the hard way instead of the easy way. You don't got to with AI. You don't got to. If you're a content creator, you don't got to worry about just taking 3 weeks off. You take off whatever you want to take off. Okay? You don't got to worry about when to go on break. Stuff like this, thinking like this, is going to get you exactly where you want to go. Okay? Where we got, it is coming. AI content creation is here already. So hop on the train, right? Be the best you. Find your brand. Find your own brand, right? Live a happy life, not a life where you have to do what other people tell you what to do, when to do it. Okay? That's not ideal. That's not ideal right there, okay? And I know, understand, some people only want to do this for fun. Well, I mean, there's nothing about content creation that is going to hurt you in any type of way. It can only bring you success, period. You got to understand, you don't have to just have a everyday channel. You could have just a fitness channel, right? You could have a tech channel. You could have a football channel. Just make content every day, and it's going to be successful, okay? Just create content about something. Don't just do nothing. That's ridiculous. That way you have something to look back on, right? You and your children. When I get old and older, I'm going to have a lot to look back on. A lot of videos, a lot of content, and I'm doing a lot of documenting. So I'm going to have a lot to look on. And I'm mad that this wasn't big when I was a baby. Because if it was, I probably have a little bit more content, more baby videos of me, right? But it is what it is. Now, because I'm creating content now, when I get older and I look back on this, I'll be able to remember, like, why I didn't do this, why I did this, why I did that, stuff like that. I trust the process. I enjoy the process because I know content creation is the future. I catch y'all on the next one.